Every day, people use YouTube to find answers to their questions and explore topics related to health.
So it's vital that YouTube makes sure you're getting your information from authoritative sources.
That's why a group of health professionals like me
are here on behalf of YouTube to give you the facts about a new program from YouTube Health.
The mission of YouTube Health is to empower people to live their healthiest lives
by helping them make decisions through knowledge, belonging, and inspiration.
The team at YouTube Health has developed a new way to deliver reliable health information
by highlighting content from authoritative sources in search results and recommendations.
These initial key health features are important for YouTube to get right.
So they made sure to partner with experts and organizations like the National Academy of Medicine, the World Health Organization, and the Council of Medical Specialty Societies
to help create guidelines for how credible health content sources are defined and verified on YouTube.
What do these changes mean for viewers like you?
YouTube is expanding 2 features, channel context labels and health sources shelves, allowing viewers to find authoritative health information from more health channels like doctors, nurses, mental health professionals, and organizations who meet specific criteria.
These new updates make it easier than ever to find health information from a variety of different authoritative sources.
First, let's go over channel context labels, which help you identify channels from certain categories of licensed healthcare professionals.
This feature exists already for hospitals, academic medical journals, and government health authorities.
These labels will now distinguish verified health professionals and additional types of health organizations
with a blue information panel beneath every verified video so that you understand where the content is coming from.
The other feature is the expansion of the From Health Sources shelves.
Currently, the shelf features search results from academic medical journals, hospitals, and government health authorities.
Now, YouTube has included content from eligible health channels and creators in certain countries like the US and Germany.
This gives you the opportunity to get fast facts from verified sources on health topics that you're researching.
Whether you're looking for videos to bust medical myths, find best practices for dealing with anxiety, or just aiming to understand medical topics better in general,
know that YouTube is a destination to help you stay informed along your health journey. And the team is just getting started. Thanks for watching.